In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Steam Guard in Steam settings. If you've ever wondered where to find your account security controls inside the Steam desktop app, this walkthrough will take you straight there and help you understand what you're looking at. Start with the Steam app open on your computer. Look toward the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu label there. Click on it to open the main application menu. This menu is where Steam keeps most of its general controls, and it's the fastest way to reach your account and app preferences without digging through different screens. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the settings window for your Steam client. Think of it as your control center. Everything from downloads and interface tweaks to privacy and account details lives here. If you've never been in this area before, don't worry. It's laid out in a simple left-hand sidebar so you can find what you need quickly. In the sidebar, click on Security. This section focuses on protecting your account and making sure only you can sign in. It's designed to centralize the most important safety features so you don't miss anything. You'll see options related to sign-in verification, trusted devices, and other protections that keep your library and purchases secure. Within Security, click on Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is Steam's built-in extra layer of protection, commonly known as two-factor authentication. Managing Steam Guard here lets you review your current setup and adjust how you receive verification codes, whether that's through email or the mobile authenticator in the Steam mobile app. You can also see the status of your protection at a glance, which is helpful if you're checking a new PC or revisiting your settings after a long time away. A few tips as you look this over: make sure you have reliable access to whichever method you choose for codes, and keep any backup or recovery details stored safely and privately. Never share verification codes or recovery information with anyone, and only enter codes inside the official Steam client or the trusted Steam website. If you ever get prompts you didn't expect, consider updating your password and reviewing recent activity. That's it. By clicking Steam in the upper left corner, opening Settings, selecting Security, and choosing Manage Steam Guard, you're right where you need to be to keep your account protected. Take a moment to confirm everything looks good, and you'll be set with stronger security for your games and purchases.